Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing these red nails that are perfect for holiday season. I think this is so Christmassy, super easy to do, so let's do it together. First you wanna apply red nail polish. I have a full video on how to paint your nails red, so check it out if that is something you're interested in. But this is our first step, painting our nails red and then waiting for it to dry, because if your nails are not dry, you can literally drag everything and ruin it, so don't do that. Anyways, now using a striper brush, pick up a little bit of white nail polish, and now it's time to draw on our nails. First, I'm doing a line from my cuticle down, and you can see it in the video. I mean, you know, this is pretty self-explanatory, and you will see in a second how everything is coming together. So I'm going to create a little star on this, and I think it looks so cute. You can see it here. I'm just making a little lines and going back and forth, making sure that everything looks cute and that it looks presentable and Christmas-like. I love this combination. I think it's super easy to do, but it's so cute. You can do it on all your nails, or you can maybe do it just on one, but I think it looks better if you do it on all your nails. I don't know, that's just my personal preference, and that's how I would wear it. Obviously, all designs I do you can adjust to your liking. Now I'm going to take a little dotting tool and just dot some white dots, making sure that they are tiny so they represent a snow. You can also use a toothpick for this step, just depends what you have and what you're working with. Then add a glossy top coat, and it's almost end of our manicure. I think this is perfect for Christmas, and I think it looks so cute and it's so simple to do. I think you cannot go wrong with this design, because even if you don't have a crazy painting nail art skills, you can still do this. I hope you guys like it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye!